Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to copy text from Facebook Messenger on Android. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Messenger app and browse through your conversations. Click on the conversation that contains the text you want to copy. This will open up the full chat thread where you can see all your messages with that person or group. Once you're inside the conversation, scroll through the messages to find the specific text you want to copy. Take your time to locate the exact message because Messenger allows you to copy text from any message in your chat history, whether it's something you sent or something the other person sent to you. Now, when you've found the text you want to copy, press and hold your finger on that specific message. This action will trigger a selection menu to appear, giving you several options for what you can do with that message. You'll notice the message gets highlighted, indicating that it's been selected and is ready for your next action. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several options appear in a menu bar. Look for and tap on the copy option. This is usually represented by the word copy itself or sometimes with a copy icon. By clicking this, you're instructing your device to save that text to your clipboard, making it available for you to paste anywhere else you need it. And that's it. The text is now copied to your clipboard and ready to be pasted into any other app, whether that's a Notes app, another message, an email, or anywhere else you need to use that text. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.